Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mastering Retaining Walls and Shoring Systems using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial number 24, modeling of soil nails wall for deep excavation stabilization using PLAXIS 2D. So this is or soil nails wall is another technique which is used for supporting a deep excavation or slope stabilization. So in this example we will try to model this type of retaining structure or retaining wall in PLAXIS 2D. So before I start modeling in PLAXIS 2D, I will shortly talk about what is this type of retaining wall and what is the components that are used for reinforcing the soil, and how can we model every components of this type of retaining structure in PLAXIS 2D. So as we know, a soil nail wall is a kind of reinforced soil retaining structure which is used for stabilization of deep excavation or slope, and this is done by installing closely spaced soil nails or steel bars, they are the same, into the ground. So these nails or bars are grouted in place, and they work in tension to reinforce the soil mass and increase the stability of the soil. So they are composed of 2-3 components. Their components are the Shotcrete, which is composed of spraying of concrete, and sometimes the wire mesh is used for reinforcing the Shotcrete, or sometimes instead the Shotcrete, the concrete or precast concrete panel are used as a facing to provide the additional strength and erosion control and distribute the load. Okay, in here also we will shortly discuss the construction steps for constructing the soil nails wall. So the first step, excavation is made and in small portion, generally 1 to 2 meters per each construction stage. After the first excavation, the circular hole is drilled using a machine, and generally it is inclined with horizontal by 10 to 20 degree into the designed length. After that, the grout is this hole is filled with the grout, or first the soil nails, the steel bar is inserted into the hole and filled with the grout. And after the grouting, sometimes, as I mentioned before, if it is required, a wire mesh is attached to wire mesh to improve the Shotcrete strength. So after installing the wire mesh, the Shotcrete is applied, which is sprayed over the exposed surface to provide as initial support. And after that, as you can see in here, after the Shotcrete, this type of bearing plates, or called nut, are installed at the nail head to provide additional facing support. So these steps are repeated again and again until we reach the designed excavation. So in here I will show you as animation. I downloaded this animation from YouTube and I want to play in here. As we can see, first the hole is drilled, and after that the bar is inserted into the drilled hole with the grout. Then the Shotcrete is sprayed at the face, and after that the plate is installed, and these steps are repeated again and again. The most important thing is the axial force in the soil nail, and also the maximum lateral displacement and the global factor of safety. So this was for this tutorial. I hope it was useful, and see you in the next tutorial.